This budget-friendly and delicious pasta dish comes together in a fraction of the time with an Instant Pot and some certified Angus beef top round. It's one of those cuts that you love the price tag on it, but you're just not quite sure what to do with it. Well, this is it. This beef ragu in the Instant Pot cooks in a fraction of the time, and it's delicious. I simply cubed up the beef, seasoned with salt and pepper, and I'm searing it on both sides right in the Instant Pot. Prepping some fresh garlic and veggies to throw into my ragu. I go ahead and saute all the veggies in the Instant Pot just for a couple of minutes, and I deglaze with a little red wine, just like we would in a normal braising application. Add in a large can of diced tomatoes, and then throw your beef right back in. Give everything a really good stir, and then this is where we pressure cook for about 45 minutes, and the beef is incredibly tender. And because it's pressure cooked, we don't lose any liquid. And that is the liquid that will cook our pasta. So toss in your favorite rigatoni, and in less than 10 minutes, it's perfectly al dente. Listen, if it's not certified Angus beef top round, it's not the best.